Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we discuss the latest technology trends and news. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of cloud computing. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to advanced concepts so that you can understand everything there is to know about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Let's start with the basics. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. This means that instead of storing and accessing data and programs on your own computer, you can do so over the internet using servers owned by cloud service providers. Why cloud computing? There are many reasons why cloud computing has become so popular. First and foremost, it offers flexibility and scalability. Cloud computing allows you to quickly and easily scale your resources up or down as your needs change. It also allows you to access your data and programs from anywhere with an internet connection, which is great for remote work and collaboration. Types of cloud computing. There are three main types of cloud computing: public, private, and hybrid. Public cloud services are offered by third-party providers and are available to anyone who wants to use them. Private cloud services, on the other hand, are owned and operated by a single organization and are not available to the public. Hybrid cloud services combine elements of both public and private clouds. Cloud service models. There are also three main cloud service models: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. IaaS provides users with access to virtualized computing resources such as servers, storage, and networking. PaaS provides users with a platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications. SaaS provides users with access to software applications over the internet. Benefits of cloud computing. Now that we've covered the basics of cloud computing, let's talk about some of its benefits. First and foremost, it can save you money. With cloud computing, you don't need to invest in expensive hardware and software upfront. You only pay for what you use, which can be a significant cost savings. Additionally, cloud computing offers increased flexibility, scalability, and reliability. Conclusion. In conclusion, cloud computing is an essential technology that has revolutionized the way we store, access, and use data and applications. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, there are many benefits to be gained from adopting cloud computing. We hope that this video has helped you understand the basics of cloud computing and its many benefits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.